Okay, so we're going to work on IXL X7, area and perimeter of squares and rectangles on the coordinate plane. So this IXL exercise actually coincides with lesson 2.6 of the Envisions book, but for the regular class, we're just going to do the IXL. For the enrichment class, we'll do more of the Envisions tomorrow. So first it asks you to graph the square GHIJ with the vertices. So these are the vertices they're giving you. So you first have to plot these points. G is -9, 1. So if I start on the origin and I go 9 to the left and 1 up, that's G. Then we do H is 0, 1. So if I start on the origin, I'm not going left, I'm not going right because the X coordinate is 0, but the Y coordinate is 1. So I go up 1, and they have it worked out so that it automatically draws that line for you. The next one, I is 0, 10. So again, I'm back on the origin. I do not go left or right, but I do go up to 10 and click, and then it draws the line. And then for J, -9, 10. So back to the origin, 9 to the left, up 10, and there we have our square. It asks you for the area of this square. If you remember, area is length times width. This side here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units long. I could have also gotten 9 by subtracting 10 minus 1. This Y coordinate here is 10, the Y coordinate here is 1. They're on the same side, so I subtract. They were within the same quadrant. I subtract, I get 9. So this side is 9, and they told me it's a square, so all the sides are 9. So to find the area, it's 9 times 9, and that would give me 81. So the area is 81 square units. Next question. Graph the rectangle WXYZ with the vertices W2, -8. So at the origin, I'm going 2 to the right, and then down 8. 2, -8 is 2 to the right, down 8. Then we go back to the origin. For 2, -4. 2 to the right, down 4. Y is -4, -4. So I start at the origin, I go to the left 4 and down 4. And then Z is -4, -8. So back to the origin, to the left 4, down 8. So there's my rectangle. I need to find the area again. So I need to figure out the length of each side. So I may count here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 units here. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the length is 6, the width is 4. Area is length times width. 6 times 4 is 24. Okay, this one is now asking for the perimeter, but first we graph it. They give me the vertices, H, 4, 0. So start at the origin, go 4 to the right, and then I don't go up or down because the Y coordinate is 0. For I, start at the origin, 5 to the left, and again, I don't go up or down because the Y coordinate is 0. For J, start at the origin, 5 to the left, and up 8. And for K, start at the origin, 4 to the right for the X coordinate, up 8. So there's my rectangle. I need to count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here, which makes sense because this Y coordinate was 8. This is 0. 8 minus 0 is 8. Going across here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This side is 9. And I could have also seen that because this is -5. So this is 5 units here. This is 4, so that's 4 units there. The absolute value of -5 plus the absolute value of 4 is 9. And they're asking me for the perimeter. Perimeter, you add up all the sides. So if this side is 9, then this side is 9. If this side is 8, then the left side is 8. And for perimeter, we need to add up all the sides. So we need to add 9 plus 9 plus 8 plus 8. 9 plus 9 is 18. 8 plus 8 is 16. Adding those two together, I get 34. I'll do one more perimeter one with you. They're asking you to graph the square. First coordinate B, 0, 8. Starting at the origin, I neither go left nor right, staying on 0, but I do go up 8. Back to the origin, C is -5, 8. So to the left 5, up 8. For D, negative 5, 3, start at the origin, to the left 5, up 3. And then E is 0, 3, so start at the origin, and I just go up 3. This is a square, they tell me. Let me count the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. And again, that makes sense because this is 8, and this is 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. All the sides are 5. So since it's a square, you can either add 5 4 times or just do 5 times 4, and you'll get that the perimeter is 20 units all the way around. So that's that. On the test next week, you'll also need to do perimeter, but instead of just simple rectangles or squares, the shapes will look a little bit differently. They might look like almost like an L shape, but you get the idea. You'll still count the sides. So this really ugly picture here, hopefully you can get the idea. Like this side here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this little piece here is 2. And then this side here is 3. And then across here is 4. And then down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then across here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you would have to add all of those numbers to get the perimeter, but it's the same concept. Okay? So please finish up this IXL. For the regular class, your goal score is an 85. For the enrichment class, your goal score is a 90. And good luck on this and on the test next week.